Do you need a quick last minute gift? This Box Weave Paracord Keychain is just the thing. It only takes about 15 minutes to make. It's really easy, so let's go. But before we do, you need 2 pieces of cord. They're both about 2 feet long. You need a split ring, a lighter, and some kind of scissors. So what we do, we find the halfway point of the cord, grab your split ring, put the cord through the ring, easy enough, just like that. Okay, next, halfway point of the green, lay it on top, like that. Nice and easy so far. And then all you do, you get the right hand side of the black, bring it over the top, like that. You get the left hand side of the black, bring it over the top, like that. Now sometimes it naturally wants to do that, and sometimes it doesn't. So what you do now, you get the green cord, it goes over this first cord here, and under that loop, like that. And this top cord, the other half of the green cord, it goes over this black and through this hole here, like that. And then all you do is slowly and carefully pull it all together. Now you can see I've got the split ring at the bottom, and that is all I'm doing. Just pulling these 2 cords, pulling all the cords together, like that. Put it nice and tight, and you should end up like that. Splitting at the bottom and your cords like that. So now all we do is fold everything back on itself. So this cord here, the black one, started there. So we flip it over. The other black cord flips over like that. The bottom green cord goes through that hole. The other green cord goes over the top. Oops. And through that hole like that. And then you tighten it up again. It can be a little bit fiddly, but just keep pulling everything until it gets tight. Try and keep everything nice and consistent, and you just keep going until you get to your desired length. Right, so I've got to where I want it. This is about 2.5 inches long. You can make it as long as you like. One day I made one, it was about 1 foot long keychain for somebody, but the guy is really tall. He's like 6'8" or something like that. So now all you do is snip and singe. That is a nice box weave paracord keychain. Makes a really good gift or stocking filler. You can do them in any team colours. If you want me to do a 3 colour, let me know in the comments, type 3. Other than that, if you want to make another keychain, check out the video up there. Otherwise, I shall see you in the next one.